Hello, everybody. It is December 28th, and today we're going to talk about 1inch. It had a major run up recently ever since it got listed on Binance, and we had almost 600% price increase, which is crazy for 1inch. Now, definitely with the pump, we expect a retracement with all the people trying to maybe take profit at the moment, and we clearly see that in the past 2-day candles here. If we draw our Fibonacci retracement just to kind of get an idea where we're sitting, we'll just draw these lines here. Looks like we did pass the 0.618 level, and now we're almost trying. I mean, usually your golden pocket is somewhere here. So you'd have a run up, it retraces back to the golden pocket, and then it shoots back up. So we did visit that, and right now the daily's still, not closed. We still have 4 hours to spare here, but we need to see if we go back, let's say, to the 1 hour. So right now, looks like here we were clearly reacting to this resistance line, going all the way down. Every time we hit it, we go back down. Now you can argue that this is a bull flag, right? And that we just had a breakout out of that bull flag, which is very bullish. But we did break out of that right now, and it looks like that we found support at the $1 region, and now we might be trying to make a higher low. So if we do end up making a higher low, and then maybe this just connects somewhere here, we'll end up being in an ascending triangle. I have too many lines here. Maybe let me just move this a bit. We will form some sort of an ascending triangle and then break out of that on the apex, and that's where you have your consolidation period. As soon as we break out of it, then that's actually set for a nice pump coming up. So we need to see what happens here. But let's say if this doesn't hold, and then we pump up, go back down to the $1, and then retest this up, we could be forming a double bottom pattern, which is also extremely bullish. So it kind of fully depends on what we're having right now, and if that is actually set to go back up soon. The volume is definitely going all the way down right now. We don't have a lot of selling and buying volume, but if we look at our RSI right now, the RSI is forming those higher lows, so we are gaining more strength as we hover around our $1. And usually, whenever you start having higher lows on your RSI, coupled with after a downtrend or while your price is going down or sideways, that is very. Of course, my phone wants to ring. That is very bullish. So the stochastic, which is just the more sensitive RSI, is also in the oversold region, and that is also bullish. So it's telling us that, hey, sometime soon here we should be pushing back up. So we need to see how this plays out. We're at a very critical level. We might just consolidate for a bit, but not until we kind of go above the $1.30 region that we will expect something to happen here. But the breakout out of this resistance line that we drew earlier is very nice. It's very good news, and we'll just need to see how this plays out at the moment. So let me know what you think. Let me know if I missed anything or if you have any comments on my technical analysis, and please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.